Mixamo is a free website that is partnered with Adobe to bring free characters and hundreds of animations to you to download for free. In this short tutorial, I will be showing you how to bring a Mixamo character into your Blender scene. On the official Mixamo website, link in description, press login and sign into your account. Now you will be brought to a page with multiple characters. If you don't see this page, then press the character menu on the top of the screen. Now you can browse and choose the character you want. After you find them, simply select them. If you want to also add an animation to this character, press Animations at the top of the screen, and you can choose an animation. You can also search for a specific animation. I will be getting an animation of a character sitting. Once you've chosen your animation, you will see it appear in the box on the right, and you can watch your chosen animation with your chosen character. Once you're ready to download the character and the animation, simply press download. Now make sure you have the format set to FBX binary and you can adjust the frame rate of the animation in the frames per second drop down menu. When you're ready, press download. Now in Blender, press File, Import, FBX. Find where the file was downloaded and import it into Blender. To play the animation, press space on your keyboard. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any problems, leave a comment on the video and I will get back to you when I have the chance.